The seated alternating dumbbell front raise is a shoulder exercise that primarily builds strength and definition in your anterior front deltoids with secondary involvement of the upper chest and trapezius muscles. The main benefit of performing the seated over the standing dumbbell front raise is the seated variation reduces the potential for using momentum, thus isolating the shoulder muscles more effectively. By alternating arms versus raising both arms simultaneously, it potentially allows for better focus and control on each shoulder, thus reducing the risk of muscle imbalance. Here's how to do it correctly. While holding a dumbbell in each hand with an overhand palms facing your thighs grip, sit on a flat bench with your feet flat on the floor, shoulder width apart. Let your arms hang down by your sides while ensuring your back is straight, shoulders down, and core is engaged for stability throughout the set. Exhale, then slowly lift one dumbbell in front of you while rotating your wrist to keep your palm facing the floor until your arm is parallel to the floor or slightly above with a slight bend in the elbow. Hold the position for a brief moment to feel the contraction in your shoulder. Inhale, then under control, slowly lower the dumbbell back to the starting position while maintaining control and avoiding any swinging or jerking movements. Alternate arms and repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.